Okay guys, so been a couple of weeks since I put any new footage out of the fields, the meadows. Lots of work going on in the background, and today hopefully we're at the start of the final leg of it. So we are knocking back some trees. We're taking this line down all the way down. I've already done half. There was a fence further down the field earlier. I didn't film that, but yeah, so we're going to knock these back so we can get a new fence line in, and you'll see that in a coming video. I'll put a link once I've filmed it, but that's all happening next week. And yeah, the many projects are starting to come alive, so you're going to see some very different changes here over the coming weeks. So yeah, it's exciting times ahead. So we're going to cut into that corner there. This fence is out, this fence is out, and then these trees back. But we're only doing the trees today, so stick with us. So pretty much down to this last pig of a tree. This one, boys and girls of YouTube, sticks out more than any of them, and that is seriously going to impact my fence line. So we are now going after this branch here. I don't really want to chop it down, but I need to because it's in the way. So hold on, let's get this chopped. Well, let's have a look. Let's have a look. Oh, I can almost see a straight line. Let's come around this side. Oh, even better, almost a straight line again. Still got a few bits, like this one up here. Not sure I'm going to get that. A few of these are stragglers, and I think there's some more at the top. Look at that. Look at that. Perfect. A few stragglers, mind. A few stragglers we've got to get. Gonna get them ones there. Let's chop that one out there as well. It's broken. We'll get that one out. Might be tempted to pull that one out and all. What's it doing on my line? It's not coming forward. These are all chopped, they just need pulling away. That's that bit done. So that's where the fence line will follow. Fence will come up there off of this far outpost, not this inner one. We've got to whip this out. Got another use for them posts. Okay, still got to get that gate up. Not enough hours in the day. Up to the top. I've knocked these a few back. Them. I'm thinking that will do. Oh, still got them two down there. Look, we missed them. Probably see them sticking out. Can you see them? Hold on, let me put this down. I'll point them out to you. They are just here. There's two there. Let's go and get them. I am in 2 miles to lob that off and all. What would you do? Yeah, it's got to come out. It's broken, isn't it? It's dead as well. Let's get that out. I don't want to land on you guys. That wouldn't be good, would it? Right, a couple more just a bit further down. Two more. No, bring with us. Is it not? Which way are you going then?
I'm going back into the yard.
Well, it's locked.
Well, I know the combination.
It's not a combination. Sorry. The gate just here. Our gate.
I live here for a part of the year. I work
That's fine.
in the boatyard.
That's fine. That's fine.
Have you got another padlock on it?
Yes, we have.
You're joking.
No. That's what happens, isn't it? On Monday as well, so you wouldn't be able to come through anyway.
I've been here 25 years.
That's brilliant.
Bruce, no, let me finish.
Bruce, hold on.
No, but
if
Bruce,
you've got a problem, speak to Bruce.
No, I've not got a problem with you at all. I'm just explaining. Bruce used to be my landlord because he used to own the places you probably.
Do you know who
well
I am?
No.
Oh, well, maybe you want to go and ask all your little friends.
Well, no,
I'm Bruce's son.
I'm not falling out with you at
well,
all.
no, but you've come in with along with a problem. We've given access for the last 3 years, and prior to that, through obviously your relationship, it's now locked. My father asked you for some help, and the boat builders didn't help. It's the consequence of it, isn't it? It's life.